up, heavy eaters? How is it, guys? Never mind, I was singing. Yo, we've been trying. So today, I want to give you like some Sungura leads for your praise. Mune Simba, Dai Asiri Jesu, and all those songs that that have got the same progression. So first and foremost, you have to find like a nice voice. So I'm using like this pot tone something. Pot tone. So let me just show you how this list goes. So the first one that I did is basically I'm just coming down the scale but in pairs. So I start from F sharp to A sharp. Get that? F to number 2, which is your G sharp. F sharp to A sharp, F to G sharp, and then I come down to D sharp to F sharp. So from D sharp to F sharp, I go down to B. So quickly, B, back to D sharp and to C sharp. So slowly, can you zoom in a little bit? So after this, I come to A sharp. F sharp, so so the whole thing slowly. Again. That's the first part, and then the second part I had to do. So I'm starting on F sharp, I slide to F. So F sharp, slide to F, D sharp, C sharp, come down to A sharp, and then I do a B chord. Like you're just doing an arpeggio coming from B, F sharp, D sharp. So after this slide, come down to D sharp, C sharp, then this passing note, C sharp, and then I have to do this B coming from B major chord. Then I have to do like a C sharp second inversion. We start like this, and then I have to play F, C sharp, and G sharp. So all together. So nice. And then I have to do this little jack from Nyara's Monoda Wafa. It goes like before I got there, I had to do So I start from F sharp, da di da 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 di da 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 di da 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 da. So the whole band can do this. Again, start from F, D sharp, F, B, A sharp, again F, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F, D sharp, F, C sharp high, and then to A sharp. So you got that, and then I had to do this little jig after da 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 da, C sharp to C sharp down octave, B, A sharp, G sharp to da 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 da. So all together. Then hope you're going to have fun learning these guys. Let me know in the comments any songs that you want me to do a cover. Anyways, peace. Have fun learning the song. Till next time.